Now it's time to add my oxtail. Here are some oxtail that I'll be preparing for cooking. Guys, in today's video, we'll be making authentic Jamaican oxtail. I'll be washing my oxtail using 1 lemon. 1 large lemon to wash my oxtail. And guys, again, remember, whenever you're preparing any meat, remember, always wash your meat. That's the best way to go, guys. Wash your meat. I'm using 1 large lemon to wash my oxtail before I season it up. And always wash your meat with cold water. Now we're going to season our already washed oxtail, starting with some onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, one ripe Scotch bonnet pepper, tablespoon of pimento seed / allspice, a teaspoon of black pepper, all-purpose. This is the Maggi all-purpose, guys. I use a 1/4 cup of all-purpose to 4 pounds of oxtail. Then we're going to rub this in. Guys, you have to massage your seasoning into the meat real good. Now for browning, I'm using 2 tablespoons of browning on the oxtail. This is what give it the color, guys. We're gonna rub this in. Rub it in, rub it in. And guys, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 24 hours. For best result, guys, it's your oxtail marinate in the refrigerator for 24 hours. If you want to truly taste that flavor. You know what I mean? Stay tuned for the end results. Here it is, guys. My oxtail has been marinating for 24 hours. Now it's time to cook. Let's take a peek at it and look how it looks. Here it is, guys. It's time to cook. In my preheated pot, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of oil. Then I'll add my oxtail. Now it's time to add my oxtail. Gonna let this cook down, guys. My stove is on high. I'm gonna cook this down for half an hour in my pot, and then I'm gonna transfer it from the pot to my pressure cooker to get it tender. Stay tuned, guys, to see the end result of my authentic Jamaican oxtail. This is how we do it, the authentic way. Stay tuned. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna check on my oxtail to see how it's doing. With a stir. This is really foggy, guys. I don't know if you guys see what's going on, but I'm just giving it a stir. Stir it. And I turned on my stove on medium high. So if you guys are gonna try this recipe, make sure you take the step that I take, okay? Stay tuned. Now I'm gonna check on my oxtail once again. Looking good, guys. It's coming on pretty well. Now it has been 10 minutes. So I'm going to let this cook down for another 20 minutes. So keep on checking on your oxtail, guys. Every 5 minutes, you check on your oxtail to make sure it's not burning and to make sure everything is good, okay? Now it has been 30 minutes. Now it's time to transfer my oxtail from my pot to my pressure cooker. And guys, remember, when you're cooking your oxtail, every 5 minutes keep on checking on your oxtail, okay, to see how it's going, to make sure it's not burning, and add water if it needed, okay? So now I'm gonna add my oxtail to my pressure cooker to get it tenderized. So now my oxtail is in my pressure cooker. I'm gonna pressure it for 30 minutes. But first, I'm gonna add some water. Some boiling water, okay guys? Right here I'm adding about 2 cups of water. Get it pressure. Just gonna let this pressure for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna steam some rice to serve with my oxtail. Here I have 3 cups of rice. I'll just put some rice. I'm washing my rice 3 times to get rid of the excessive starch. Now I'm going to steam some rice in my rice cooker. I'm going to add ½ teaspoon of salt, a piece of butter, give this a stir. Do this in my rice cooker, and this is to serve with my oxtail. Okay guys, stay tuned for the end result. Now I'm gonna check in on my rice to see if it's done. And oh yes, my rice is done. Yeah. And this rice, guys, this rice is gonna serve with my authentic Jamaican oxtail. Now I transfer my oxtail to a new pot. I'm gonna cook it down for 15 minutes. But first I'm gonna add my butter bean. Guys, I'm using this butter bean. Okay? I'm gonna add my butter bean to my pot. Now I'm gonna cook it down for 15 minutes. And it should be done. Authentic Jamaican oxtail. Check it out, guys. This is how we do it. Now I'm going to check on my oxtail once again. Then I'm going to add a piece of butter for extra flavor. Stay tuned, guys. Now my oxtail is finally done. Wow, look at that, guys. Authentic Jamaican oxtail. Yeah. Now it's time for plating. Stay tuned. Here it is, the finished product. Authentic Jamaican oxtail. Look good, don't? Please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content like these. Now, of course, I'm gonna taste it. Just tastes so delicious. Guys, see you in the next video. I'm gonna enjoy this now. This is damn good.